Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday afternoon weather webcast for June 24th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Another active day in the Wiregrass. More showers this morning. Now we've got some thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon. A little bit different pattern than we had yesterday as a sea breeze was very active. Today it's actually a front that's well to our west that's been responsible for sparking these showers and thunderstorms that we'll look at here on radar right now. There you see the first wave, the showers that we saw earlier have now turned into more robust showers and thunderstorms in southwest and south central Georgia. We're watching more development off to the west, now moving into the Wiregrass, the western Wiregrass, Crenshaw and Covington County, and now seeing some of the heavier thunderstorms, and folks in Coffee and Pike and western Geneva County will be seeing these here shortly. Over the next couple of hours, it'll be once again another active afternoon with the showers and thunderstorms rumbling through. No severe weather expected. There's just not enough support in the upper and mid levels of the atmosphere. What we had around this morning was fairly light. If you saw anything at all, the activity was very light in nature. And there you see right behind is another wave of shower and thunderstorm activity as a front is kind of stalled out in the southern plains. That's responsible for most of our shower activity right now, kind of moving this direction. 80s, middle 80s, a couple of 90s, but mostly upper and middle 80s. 81 Andalusia has a shower on top of them right now. 90 in Blakely, 91 Donaldsonville, 87 in Panama City and in Destin, 88 Geneva, 87 up in Troy, and 87 right now in Enterprise. But over the next couple of hours, these these numbers will be a little bit lower. All right, so here's the trough. Basically, you can see the line right there. Just a line. That is a front, a little cool front. There has been noticed, and the flow out of the south and the high pressure off to our east is responsible for the direction of the storms today. So as these storms have popped up, high pressure well out in the Atlantic, a very strong high pressure out in the Atlantic, has forced most of these showers and thunderstorms to rotate around the backside of that high toward the east, so moving from west to east today. And we're expecting another round of showers for tomorrow, but not quite as active for tomorrow afternoon. Some drier air will be filtering on in. So there you see the lower 48. Once again, the eastern half of the country is hot, sultry, and active with showers and thunderstorms. A couple of spots in the west are seeing some rain right now. Northern Texas, also folks in Kansas seeing some rainfall. Nothing of this is severe, and that's some good news for a lot of folks that have had their fill of severe weather, especially from last week. All right, here's your futurecast for tonight. I think most of the rain should be done. A few lingering showers by 10 o'clock this evening. Then the rain should end. We'll see a cloudy sky once again, kind of like we had yesterday, but drier air moves in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and that will suppress shower development for tomorrow. We'll still have a chance of rain on Wednesday. I just don't think it's going to be as good. So more scattered showers for Wednesday, just the rain chances and the rain coverage won't be as good as they were today. Here are your future temperatures for tomorrow morning. We'll start in the low 70s once again, like we always do this time of year. And then I think 90 degrees not out of the question for afternoon highs tomorrow, as rain chances will be a little bit more sparse and more scattered. So folks will get the opportunity to get to the low 90s for tomorrow afternoon. We'll see the end of all the rain by Wednesday night as the sun sets. By Thursday, more scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, but the rain chances won't be quite as good with that dry air staying in place through the end of the week. And it looks like maybe a little bit more of a calmer weekend for us. After all that nasty weather this weekend, we could see a fairly nice start at least to the weekend on Saturday. We'll talk more about the weekend forecast and what you'll expect for the rest of this week on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. And the 5-day forecast is coming up there. Also on WRGX News at 5:30 and the CW Primetime News at 9. You can check your local listings for all of those programs. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.